Good day, guys. How na day? This is another latest. Let's just start the tutorial. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all, guys. Alright, just make this step, at least 3 steps is okay, or 4. Just make the as well as you want it. So if you like 4 step, you make it 5, 6, anyhow you want it. So you see that place, that hand, I later roll it, but from the beginning I did not roll it so that I can get the normal shape of what I'm doing. So just tie it, make it big. Alright, let's make it big. Okay, so before I later lose it, yes. So I just want to sew the front and see how it goes. Alright, guys. Now I use that. I turn that place. I twist that place. Some place it again. Now twist the other hand. Then tie it at the back. Yeah. So after tying it, so I now come back to the front to arrange that front very well to make it neat. Guys, hope you are watching. Thank you all. Please like, comment and share, and also follow me on my Facebook page. I really appreciate you all, guys. Yeah, now I'm going to dress the back. Yeah, this is the latest and it is also a quick one. Within 2 minutes you do it. Just try to do it. Alright, guys, I love you all. I love you. Okay, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.